What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's everybody technoboy, and in this video I'm going to unbox this remote control kit for the fan and light. Well, I have unboxed two type of this remote kit long back, but they were different. This thing is kind of different. This thing is a modular one, so this is another brand, and here you can see Cube 2.1. That's a model. 2.1 means 2 light and 1 fan. The fan comes with the regulator, that's why it's written like that. So let's unbox. Alright, so this is the remote control, a tiny one, and requires 2 AAA battery. That's the all off button, and there's light 1, light 2 and light 3. That's for fan and plus and minus, the speed control. Light 3 is not here, so light 1 and 2 is going to work on this remote, I guess. And this is the kit itself. Alright, so the size of this thing is just like the, let's say, 3-pin plug point that you mount in the modular box, switch box. So just remove that, and in that place you can mount this thing. Just slide in, and this notches will stuck to the body. That's it, pretty simple. So here at the back, everything is written there. Max load 75 watt per point, 3 channels for 2 lights plus 1 fan, and 180 to 240 volt AC, 50 hertz. So that's the point. Red for input line and black for input neutral, and 2 yellows are there for the lights, 2 lights, and the white one is for the fan. There is another paper where the details written there, but in case if you lose it, you'll get the thing, the connection at the back of the switch. So that's it, how to connect. It's all written here. Long press 4 to 5 seconds for speed control, normal press for switch on off. Okay, on this device here, that's for light button, and that's for another light button, and that's for fan. As you can see, the marked here, but you press the button and the fan goes on, press once and fan goes off. And when you press and hold it for 4 to 5 seconds, you can control the speed of the fan in case you lose the remote. So that's it. Now, as I told you the connections already, so separate holes are there, the wires are coming, which is very good. And that's for the input, the phase and neutral. These 2 yellows are for the lights, and this white one, that's for the fan. So now the point is, I don't have the modular switch box. I have the normal screw type one, but I think I can fix this in the box without doing much effort. So let's do that, then you're gonna check it out how it works.